I am the good shepherd. I gave my life for the sheep. The one that was lost I searched for, until I laid down my life. The wolf has left me scarred upon my side, left me scarred upon my hands, left me wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious. My sheep hear my voice whenever I call them. I give them everlasting life, and my Father keeps them safe. The wolf has left me scarred upon my side, scarred upon my hands, wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious. Those whom my Father has given me are under His mighty power. He feeds them and protects them, and no one can snatch them away. The wolf has left me scarred upon my side, scarred upon my hands, wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious. Do not judge by outward appearance, thinking I am only an ordinary man. Do not be deceived by people. I am the good shepherd. Listen, all you people, I am the good shepherd. I am the way, I am the door. Flee from the wolf, flee from the scarred upon my side, scarred upon my hands, wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious. Scarred upon my side, wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious. The wolf has left me scarred upon my side, left me scarred upon my hands, left me wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious. The wolf has left me scarred upon my side, left me scarred upon my head, left me wounded on my body, yet I remain victorious.